Welcome to today's cooking show, and for you today we have some Ranch Oyster Crackers. Alright, as you can see in the bowl, I have 5 cups of oyster crackers. To that, we're going to add 1/4 cup of veggie oil, a half a teaspoon of dill weed, a 1/4 teaspoon of lemon pepper, a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, and then we're going to add a 1-ounce pack of ranch seasoning mix. And then we're going to cover this with tin foil. We're going to shake the ever-loving shit out of it. And then we're going to line this on a baking sheet. Alright, we should be ready for the next step. Again, I'm assuming you all know how to cover things with tin foil and shake them. Alright, let's move on to the next step. Now, we want to spread this out on, like I said, a parchment-lined baking sheet. And then we're going to bake in a 250-degree oven for 20 minutes. Once they're done baking, pull them out, let them cool down for about 5 minutes, and then transfer them to a bowl. Alright, so, once again, 20 minutes in a 250-degree preheated oven. Alright, 20 minutes have passed, and the magic of cooking show editing, and these crackers are done. Last for a couple weeks in a covered bowl, but trust me, they won't last that long. These are actually pretty good. A great little snack, for movie night or whatever. So, that's Ranch Oyster Crackers. Done.